Hello, everyone. Welcome to this series of success story sessions. And today we have with us Shubham Nandkumar, rather, right? Shubham has done his BTech in computer science and electronics engineering. Now, there's this new branch which combines the electronics part of it and computer science, right? And thanks to his commitment and hard work, he has now got a job in Zensar Technologies as a data scientist, right? And that's a very good thing. That's a very good thing. I truly appreciate, Shubham, your hard work and dedication.
Thank
So,
you very
Shubham, tell us more on how was your journey with 360 Digit MG? How was your learning? What interesting things you learned? And then, how was your internship project experience with, AI Spry? And to what extent did that help you? And in which year did you do your BTech, etc.? Just throw some light, Shubham. Over to you.
So, very good evening, first of all. Then I have completed my electronics and computer science engineering from Walchand Institute of Technology, Solapur. Then, as a part of internship in the college, I have joined 360DigiTMG as an internship to showcase in the college. So, in this is actually I still not got my degree. I will get it in next month. Yes. So I'm a fresher actually, 2025 passing. So the experience of with 360 Digit MG was very good and excellent. Actually, I was get the admission at Kharadi branch at Pune. So the trainer was very good, and all the teaching staff was excellent. And I experienced that live projects. They helped me a lot in my that Zensar Technologies journey. Recently, I have done AI conjunction and object detection project regarding annotation. So I have got job on this only, and this project helped me a lot at Zensar. So I am very thankful to 360 Digit MG for giving such live projects and great inspirations to all the students.
So you're very clearly saying that the real world project experience of computer vision, where you also have to do annotation, that helped you really.
Yes.
And also, that is a similar kind of work that you'll be doing in Zensa.
Yes.
Wonderful. So there is a very, very close match on what you were doing and what the requirements of the company are, right? So this is the advantage, I should say, of working on real world projects. And Shubham, I keep asking this question to people, right? Because there are a few people who get a job. There
Yes.
are a few people who don't get a job. Both of them are in the same batch,
Yes.
same training batch. One set of people are getting jobs, one set of people are not getting jobs. So for those people who are not getting jobs, what is your suggestion?
Actually, I'm one of those. uh, I'm since trying since 6 months, daily applying according to JD and ATS 400 for each job. So I must say to the student that they must be consistent and keep the continuity to daily applying and be patient. One day the opportunity will be very soon to you. Okay, that happens.
100% wonderful, well said, well said, I liked it. So people like you are very, very positive. They understand the market conditions, right? And they keep working on the projects. They continue to put in their effort, because for one job opening there are hundreds of people applying. How can you even get an interview call? Only if you can differentiate yourself from the other people, because your resume will meet the interviewer first. First of all, make your resume strong.
Wrong.
Just getting trained won't help, right? Working on real world projects, putting those projects on your resume will help get
Yes.
shortlisted, right? Yeah. Wonderful. Well said, Shubham. And all the best for your future.
Yes. Thank you very
And
much.
and you will certainly succeed in your life.
Yes.
Do stay in touch. Keep helping the other people as well. Thank you.
Sure. Sure. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you, you too. Bye.